Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's waste no more time and get right into today's topic. You guys know what we'll be covering today, so let's get right into it. But before we get into Veracity's price, guys, if we're looking across the board, look what's happening with the altcoins. Look across the board, like literally, if you look across the board, altcoins are flying like crazy. What is going on? I'm going to share exactly what is going on and why we're seeing altcoins really start to pick up. Is this the official altcoin season? That's what we're going to get into. But you guys know what we're here for. We're here for Verasity. Oh my gosh, this is literally insane. History is being made right now. Looking at the price of Verasity, it is approaching that 1 cent mark. You've heard that correct. It's approaching the 1 cent mark. It's up 21% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 20% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. We're once again sitting at $100 million market cap, and yet we're still, not considered a big cap coin. Now we should be considered. I wouldn't even personally call VRA right now a mid cap coin. It has to be above 150 in my personal opinion. But without a doubt, the altcoin season effect is coming to VRA very, very fast. And I said this to you guys from the beginning, and now things are about to really start heating up. Before we jump into the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. You guys can see insane price movements for Verasity, but let's hold on with the price for a second. Let me share as to why exactly we're seeing a lot of altcoins really fly. Because if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin has not been too bullish. We have not seen Bitcoin hit a yearly high. So why is the altcoin market really heating up? We're looking across the market, majority, like 95% of the altcoins are up right now, and that is because of this. Look at what's happening with the BTC index, BTC dominance index, we are seeing that fall. And whenever this falls, that means money is not flowing out of the markets right now. Money is coming back, so it's staying within the markets, but it's flowing out of Bitcoin and going into altcoins. Hence, we are seeing altcoins exploding right now across the board. And what Verasity has done right now is insane. We set a new yearly high at almost 1 cent. We have yet to hit 1 cent right now, but just today itself, if you picked up some Verasity just at that support level, as you guys know, we did hit that support level just yesterday. If you picked up some VRA around then, you're already up 30%. Yes, you've heard that correct. And look at it on the hourly time frame. You guys get a better picture. Man, Verasity has what, the hype factor is once again back into Verasity. And this gets me extremely bullish. Every bull cycle, we have one of those coins that are going to be and are anticipated. A lot of investors within the community are anticipating certain altcoins to really be one of the top gainers this coming bull cycle. And I've said this from the get-go. Verasity is one of the top gems that I believe is going to perform really strongly in this bull market, because last bull market, it came out in the mid, so it didn't really experience a full bull cycle. And what a better time now to be listed on Binance. I personally believe Verasity needs to continue this upwards trend and then get listed on Binance. We're about to see all-time highs and even more, way faster than a lot of people are expecting. This is very, very exciting times right now for the entire crypto space. I want to give you guys a better picture as to what really is going on. If you picked up some Verasity at the beginning of the year, you are already up 340%. You've heard that correct, 340% in just a month and a half. Not even a month and a half, 1 month and about a week. And that is just mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. And I know at this point, when we were making videos around this range for Verasity, that time there were a lot of people in the comment section, spreading FUD, Veracity's not going anywhere, blah blah blah. But you're starting to see less and less of those people come within the comment section and comment down below. So what does that show us? That just shows the overall market sentiment is extremely bullish. And now we're seeing the overall buying pressure also, guys. The buying pressure is on our side now too. Now all eyes are on this level of resistance, but remember, now this is something I do want you guys to remember. We're not going to go up straight forever. Like obviously we're going to see a little bit of a consolidation happen here or there, but right now I could see VRA fly up to that 1.3 cents mark very quickly if it breaks out of this little bit of a level of resistance that we're seeing. And then we might see a little bit of a resistance come out around that range, a little bit of a retracement, which should be healthy. But if we clear that range, guys, this is the target at that 1.8 cents mark, and that is almost double from where the price is currently at. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, as you guys can see, 87%, so almost a double for us to reach those levels. And 100 million market cap where we're currently sitting at, that would require 200 million. And in this day and age, when crypto space, guys, when things start heating up, that's nothing. Look what's happening with AGIX token. Look what happened with Fetch.ai, Aptos. Billions and billions of dollars can come in the market very, very fast because the whales control it. And what other better time to be listed on Binance? So CZ, if you're watching it, or anyone at Binance watching this, list VRA. And honestly, don't list it right now. List it a little bit later, maybe when it's at around 2 cents. And then, things can really start heating up. But as I say that, we're all bullish. We're all extremely excited. But remember, there's a famous saying, and this is where a lot of people tend to forget this. Be greedy while others are fearful. Be fearful while others are greedy. Now there's a lot of greed coming into the markets, so this is where you want to be maximizing your profit gains. So obviously if you picked up some VRA around here, I would strongly encourage you guys to log a little bit of a profit here and there, because you guys can see corrections always will happen, and that's where you can accumulate your VRA, maybe the same amount, and still have extra excessive cash that you could use for yourself, for your personal needs, or whatever you want to go buy, maybe like a car or something. You guys know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, VRA is going insane. The worst case scenario, we always are going to start pointing at the worst case scenario right now, because the price has pumped up quite a bit. So if there's going to be people coming here and saying, like I said, if the price is not pumped up, we're going to ignore them. And if there are those type of people that come in the comment section, the VRA community, you guys know what to do. You guys need to comment down and let them know to, come on, like, be realistic over here. But the worst case scenario now would be is, like, say the price of Bitcoin does see a little bit of a retracement, and this was a fake out. But again, BTC is not the reason as to why we're going up right now. As mentioned, it's the BTC dominance. But let's say Bitcoin does see more downwards pressure and possibly hits this $22,700 mark once again, then obviously the entire market is going to have some sort of effect on that. And if that were to happen, you guys already know what's going to happen with VRA along with the other altcoins. Going to see a little bit of retracement. This time around, I might see like that 8.3 cents level of support play out for us. You guys can see we consolidated here for a while. So that's where I would see the price being supported at. And the worst case scenario, this support at that 0.0073 cents. But at this momentum, I don't see that happening, but we still need to obviously have that in the back of our head. Things are looking insane. VRA holders, give yourself a pat on the back for sticking around here and forgetting about the FUD and all that good stuff, and continue liking these videos and smashing that like button, and I'll continue bringing these updates for you guys. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.